Namaste to everyone. I welcome you all in my YouTube video channel. Today I will deliver lecture on lattice theory, lecture number 14 part 3, in which I will discuss about some remaining problems of distributive lattice. Now we prove a theorem. Theorem is let L be a distributive lattice and let C dash or C prime be the complement of element C in L. If B meet C prime equal to 0, then B less than equal to C. To prove B less than equal to C. Prove, given that C prime be the complement of C, then C join C prime equal to 1 and C meet C prime equal to 0. Also given that B meet C prime equal to 0. This is number 3 and this equation 1, this equation 2. Now C join under bracket B meet C prime equal to, by distributive law, C join B meet C join C prime. Here C join C prime equal to 1. This is meet. In meet we get a smaller element. Here this equal to C join B. This is number 4. Again C join under bracket B meet C prime equal to, here B meet C prime is 0 in theory. So here we write 0. C join 0 equal to C. C is the greater element. In join we get the greater element. From 4 and 5, we see that left side equal. Therefore, right side will be equal. That is C join B equal to C. In join, we get the greater element. That is C is greater and B is smaller. Therefore, B is less than equal to C. Proved. Next theorem we prove, if L is a distributive lattice and A meets C equal to B meets C, also A join C equal to B join C, then A equal to B. We have to prove A equal to B for all A, B, C belong to L. Now prove. Since given that L is a distributive lattice and also given that A meets C equal to B meets C and A join C equal to B join C. Now to prove A equal to B. By absorption property, we may write A equal to A meet A join C. Given that A join C equal to B join C, in this place we write B join C. Now by distributive law, A meet B, then join A meet C. By commutative law, A meet B equal to B meet A. And given that A meet C, here number 1 equal to B meet C. So in this place we write B meets C. And by distributive property, this equal to B meet under bracket A join C, because this equal to B meet A join B meet C. If we take from this side, we get this result, and from this side we get this result. Since A join C equal to B join C from 2, so here we write in place of A join C equal to B join C using 2. Here by absorption property, this is equal to B, because this is B join C and this is B. In meet we get a smaller element, that is B. Therefore A equal to B, proved. Now we prove the next theorem. Let L be a complemented and distributive lattice. Then prove that De Morgan's law is given by number 1. A join B whole prime equal to A prime meet B prime. This is number 1. Number 2, A meet B whole prime equal to A prime join B prime holds in L, where A prime denotes the complement of A. Now we prove this. Prove. Given that L is a complemented and distributive lattice, let A prime equal to complement of A in lattice L. Therefore, A prime join A equal to 1 and A prime meet A equal to 0. This is the characteristic of the complement of an element in L. This is number 1 and this is number 2. Also given that L is distributive, therefore A meet under bracket B join C equal to under bracket A meet B join under bracket A meet C for all A, B, C belong to L. This is number 3 equation. Now under bracket A prime meet B prime join under bracket A join B equal to, here we consider A join B as one unit. Therefore, by distributive law, we get A prime join A join B, then meet B prime join A join B, distributive law. Now by associative law here, we take bracket in A prime join A join B. In both places we see join, so here we have used associative law. Now here by commutative law, A join B equal to B join A. Since from 1 A prime join A equal to 1 join B, here we have used commutative law. A join B equal to B join A, and here we have used associative law. B prime join B in a bracket join A. Here B prime join B equal to 1 and here 1 join B is 1, since in join we take the greater element, that is 1. Here 1 join A equal to 1, 1 meet 1 equal to 1. Therefore we get under bracket A prime meet B prime join under bracket A join B equal to 1. This is number 4. Now we take here meet and we see the result. Here we have taken meet. Now we take this bracket A prime meet B prime as 1 unit and we use the distributive law. So this equal to under bracket A prime meet B prime, here meet A, then join under bracket A prime meet B prime meet B. Now here we use commutative law. A prime meet B prime equal to B prime meet A prime. Here we have used the associative law. Under bracket B prime meet B and A prime is outside. As here we see the same operation meet. So we have used here associative law. Now here we use associative law, as here meet and here also meet. So B prime under bracket A prime meet A. Here B prime meet B means 0 and here A prime meet 0 equal to 0. Here A prime meet A equal to 0 and B prime meet 0 equal to 0. That is 0 join 0 equal to 0. So when we take here join, we get the result 1. When we take here meet, we get result 0. Therefore, from 4 and 5, we get that A prime meet B prime is the complement of A join B. That is, A join B whole prime equal to A prime meet B prime, which is the De Morgan's first law, and that is proved. Now we prove the second De Morgan's law. A meet B join under bracket A prime join B prime equal to. Now we consider this part as 1 unit and we apply the distributive law. So we get A join under bracket A prime join B prime meet B join under bracket A prime join B prime. Here by associative law, here we see that here join, here also join. So we apply the associative law. So by associative law, we get under bracket A join A prime, then outside join B prime. Here by commutative law, A prime join B prime equal to B prime join A prime. Here we use the associative law, as here join, here also join. So under bracket B join B prime, join A prime outside. Since A join A prime equal to 1, this equal to 1 join B prime. Meet B join B prime, 1 join A prime. 1 join B prime equal to 1 and 1 join A prime is also 1. So 1 meet 1 equal to 1. This is number 6. Here now in place of join we give meet. And we take A meet B as 1 unit. So by distributive law, this is by distributive law. A meet B, here meet A prime, then join. A meet B, meet B prime. Now by commutative law, A meet B equal to B meet A, meet A prime. Here same thing. Now here we see meet and here also meet. So we use the associative law. Here also we see meet and here also meet. So we use here also associative law. So by associative law we get B meet under bracket A meet A prime, join. Here also A meet under bracket B meet B prime by associative law. Here A meet A prime equal to 0. Here also B meet B prime equal to 0. B meet 0 equal to 0. And also A meet 0 equal to 0. 0 join 0 equal to 0. So in case of join we get 1 and in case of meet we get 0. That is from 6 and 7 we get that A meet B is the complement of A prime join B prime. Therefore A meet B whole prime equal to A prime join B prime. Therefore De Morgan's second law is proved. Thanks for watching my video. If you are satisfied with my presentation and contents, then please click on like button and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.